Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the 7.1, exercise 7.1, question number 5th we have to do. And we already discussed the distance formula, if you all remember. The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between 2 points, this will be the formula. Now, see the fifth question. In the fifth question, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, don't you think that ABCD is a square? They are asking that ABCD will be square or not. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay. So if you see that the points, if I mark here ABCD, suppose, now what is the point of A? What is the point of A here? Like x will be the 3, y will be 4. So 3 comma 4. A will be what? 3 comma 4. What is the point of B? If you go for the point B, it will be what? 6 comma 7. Point B is 6 comma 7. Now what is the point of C? 9 comma 4. And the D point is 6 comma 1. Now first find the distance between AB. Now applying the distance formula, x2 minus x1, this will be x1 y1 and this will be the x2 y2. x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 3 square plus y2 minus y1. 7 minus 4 square, that 6 minus 3 square is 3 square, 7 minus 4 is 3 square again, it will be 9 plus 9, answer is root 18 unit. So AB is coming root 18. Now same as it is, find the distance between BC. Again this one will be x2 y2, you can take any one x1 y1, okay. So I will take x1 y1, this one, x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 9 square plus y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4 square. This will be the first one. Six minus 9, it will be minus 3 square and it will be 3 square. So again 3 square minus 3 square is 9 only. This will be 9. So answer is root 18 unit. So this is also coming 18. AB, BC. Now I will go with the CD. x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. x2 minus x1, that's 6 minus 9 plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4, that minus 3 square and minus 3 square, it will be what? 9 plus 9, again answer coming root 18 unit. And the last one is AD. x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3 square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 square, three square, here also minus 3 square, again 9 plus 9, root 18. So all are coming root 18, means this is what? This figure will be the square. So ABCD will be square. Now sixth question. Question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by if any of the following points and give reason for your answer. Again same type of question is there, that the points are given and we have to check which type of quadrilateral are there. First one, that if I make that A, B, C and D, I will take like -1, -2, then B will be 1, 0 and C is -1, 2 and D will be -3, 0. Find the distance between AB. Now I will find directly x2 minus x1. x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus x1. Now 1 minus, now -1 will be there, it will be +1 plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus and minus will be plus. So it will be the 2 square, square of 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 root 8 unit. Then BC, 1 minus will be +1 square, 0 minus 2 square, again 2 square plus minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 root 8 unit. Then CD, -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3 square plus 2 minus 0 square, -1 plus 3 is 2, again 2 square and 2 square, it will be 4 plus 4, it will be coming root 8 unit. And I will find AD also. Here that -3 plus 1, then -2 square and 0 minus will be +2, it will be 4 plus 4, it is also root 8 unit. Now all the sides are coming equal. One more thing I will tell in the question number 5th also, if you find all the sides, find the diagonal also. Here you have to find the diagonal, this will be the homework part that I will forget to tell. AC and BD also you have to find. Find the distance between AC and BD. If they are also equal, then it will be square. Here also I will find that AC and BD. So find AC also. If the diagonals are equal, then only it will be square. So if I find AC, it will be -1 and minus, it will be +1. That -1 minus will be +1, -1 plus 1 square and -2 minus 2 square. It will be 0. -4 square is -16. It will be +16. So root 16 coming means 4 unit. And find BD also. This one 1 minus will be +3 and 0 minus 0. Again 4 square, 16 and answer will be 4 unit. Now see that if the diagonals are not equal, all the sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then it will be rhombus. In rhombus also all the sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. And if all the sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then it will be square only. So in the question number 5th also you have to check AC and BD. Check it, if the diagonals are coming equal, then it will be the square, otherwise it will be rhombus. Now same as it is, do the second part and third part. This one also you have to do. Now if suppose this will be the first thing, that rhombus and square. Second thing is the opposite sides are equal coming. If the opposite sides are equal coming and diagonals are also coming equal, then it will be rectangle. Otherwise, if opposite sides are coming equal and diagonals are not coming equal, it will be parallelogram. So check it, second part and third part. So up to question number 6 we finish. In the next class we continue our exercise 7.1. Now thank you all of you.